Hey there! In this video, I will be going over modes of inheritance using a pedigree from the book series Warrior Cats, and our selected trait is the solid color pattern. So first off, we'll go over the modes that do work. We have X-linked recessive, firstly, and here you can see the phenotypes and the genotypes represented by the T's, big T's and little t's, and then the shaded ones are the ones that have the trait. And you can see that they all line up. So that's great. That one's consistent. And then next we have autosomal recessive, and it's the same thing. They all work going through the entire pedigree. We have the genotypes matching up with the phenotypes, and the family history all works. So those are consistent, and that's great. But what about the ones that aren't consistent and don't work? Well, first up we have autosomal dominant. So in this instance, we're going to be looking at Jake and Nutmeg. They are both going to be little t because they are tabbies, which is going to be the recessive trait in this instance. And both of them together would be able to produce a child like Princess, 100%, because she is also little t. But Firestar is another story. He needs a big T for this to work, as you can see here. But neither of his parents have a big T to give him, so it's not consistent. Next up, we have X-linked dominant, another dominant mode. And in this case, we're going to be looking at Firestar and Sandstorm. Well, they vary in genotype, so who knows, maybe this will work. Well, it doesn't. Firestar is going to pass on his big T to Squirrelflight. They're both solid color patterns. And then Sandstorm will give her little t. But Firestar is also going to give his big T, his ex big T, to his other daughter, Leafpool, who is supposed to be a tabby, and in this instance, she would need to be little t on both of her exes. But because both of her parents are not tabbies, then she can't get two copies of little t. So this is also not consistent. And lastly, we have Y-linked. Well, this one's easy because we have two females that have this trait, and they don't have any Y chromosomes for this to be connected to, so it can't be that. And so in conclusion, we can kind of deduce that the solid color pattern in this specific example is a recessive trait, whether autosomal or X-linked. Either of those work. It could be either one. We don't know just from this. So, yep, that's modes of inheritance. Thank you for listening.